A B, ये C को B में डालिए. हाँ, A B C. Oh, हम मैकडॉनल्ड्स में कर लेते हैं. But पहले मैकडॉनल्ड्स चलते हैं. So, day number 2.
What?
Day number 2.
Day number 2.
Yep,
Yeah.
day number 2. So we just had a problem with the camera here. Fixed it with the zip ties for now.
Big problem. Small problem.
Yeah, it's a small problem, doesn't matter. अगर मैंने उसको ऐसे रहने दिया ना, लटकता हुआ, तो कैमरा एक तो पहले इसके साथ उसके साथ टकराएगा, राइट, और तो कैमरा ख़राब हो सकता है. दूसरा कि अगर वायर इसकी जो मेरी जो सीट है ना, उसके अंदर थोड़ा लंबा वायर है इसका, तो वो अगर वायर निकलना शुरू हो गया सीधा जाएगा टायर में जाएगा, तो पूरा इट कैन कॉज एन एक्सीडेंट. सो आई एम जस्ट better fix it now. That's my breakfast for the day. He wants to go to McDonald's. Yeah, you can have some brekkie there, and then we can head out. चल अपना वो टर्न करना शुरू कर. Motorcycles are ready to go. Oh, where is it? Okay, yeah. You start going. I'm coming.
You want to order something?
Nah, I'm good. Nah. No McDonald's for me. Hello.
Right. Off for an adventure?
Yeah, just off to Charlotte Pass today.
Yeah, good mission.
Yeah, Charlotte Pass, then Thredbo, then going down towards Cooma,
Yeah.
and then getting out to Cluck maybe.
Yeah, good on you. That'd be awesome.
Yeah.
Sun's out.
A friend of mine, who just left, he has not done it before.
Yeah.
So this is his first time.
Yeah, right.
And I did this ride, a month ago.
Yeah, and you're so excited you brought someone back to do it
Yeah.
again. Why not? We're going to bike like that, you might as well.
Yeah. So we'll go to some, I'll put it in the map for now, but I don't need to, I didn't put on the GPS for now. GPS पे सीधा शार्लेट पास डालेंगे. अगर मेरे को लगा ना रोड पे कि ग्रेवल है तो मैं वहीं से नहीं जाएंगे.
Okay.
Because how are you on gravels?
मैंने किया नहीं है ज़्यादा, बट एक बारी 3-4 किलोमीटर का पैच गलती से टर्न ले लिया था. बट आई कंप्लीटेड द होल थिंग. आई वाज लाइक भाई गिरूँ ना मैं. आज वैसे मंडे है.
हाँ.
मंडे आज.
हाँ.
टुडे इज मंडे.
Yeah, मंडे. और कल ट्यूसडे. परसों वेडनेसडे होगा.
मेरे ज्ञान के चक्षु खोल दिए.
Is open. These federally are under constant video security surveillance. अंदर जाने का पैसा लेंगे. Hi. Morning.
You guys coming in for a look?
Yeah. Can I record? If it's okay.
Yeah.
Or you
Yeah,
can-
just not the film.
Oh no. Yeah, no.
Saying that.
I don't think we're gonna watch. We don't have time to watch
You
the
don't
film.
have time?
I'm
But-
just about to put it on.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's for 10
But
minutes.
yeah, super. The film, you can film whatever you like in there, but just not
The film. Yeah. Of course not.
film.
Yeah.
Well, anyway.
Nah. Yeah. Because it'll have all these lines going
You'd
in.
be like, what?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
come on, we go in and have a look.
Yeah. Is there a fee to get in? I guess.
It's free.
Oh, free. So देख पानी आता है टटंगरा रिजर्वायर से लेक एक्यूम्बेंस वहाँ से Happy Jack's Pondage, Termit Point Reservoir. I think I went there. Termit Pond Reservoir. फिर Burns Creek intake, फिर Walden intake, सीधा फिर reservoir पे. Yeah. Oh yeah, the Tumut 2 power station. I remember that. जी यहाँ डैम से ही जितना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पैदा होता है ना, उनका रोज़ी रोटी यहीं से ही चलती है। जैसे कि तुम अपने वहाँ जाते हो कूपर पीडी में, सबका माइनिंग से ही बिजनेस चलता है। यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है इनका सब।
1953 these things days of their regional boundaries for the national registry. I mean, is how they work out.
Yeah.
Who's gonna fly where? This is, I thought this is Melbourne, yeah. We are somewhere there? Yeah? No. We are somewhere there?
Yeah, we are somewhere around here.
This is more.
Here. Alright, there. Here, Cooma. चलें फिर।
Ride safely, enjoy your commute.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trip around, is it some good bike?
How's the road to the lookouts, the Goat Hill lookout and
Nanny Goat Hill?
yeah, Nanny Goat Hill lookout, and also there's a
Mount Gladstone?
Yeah.
Fine.
They're good? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep, so Nanny Goat Hill is just here in the middle of town, and you
Yeah.
just go up to the centre of town, and it's got a bit steep, actually.
Yeah. Oh, it's steep. Okay.
But it's fine, yeah.
No worries. Thank you very much. Will do. Thank you.
Same
Yeah.
here.
In 100 meters, turn left onto Monero Highway, B23.
Okay, वापस Monero Highway पे है ना? It's near airdrome.
वहाँ तो ड्रोन भी
ड्रोन नहीं उड़ा सकते वहाँ, लग गए वहाँ पर। चलो फिर भी जाते हैं, टाइम है ही अपने पास। ग्रेवल है? हाँ? You want me to go? मैं देख के आता हूँ, मैं आधे तक जाता हूँ, कैसा है? ना ना कोई और तरीके से नहीं जा सकते इसके। हाँ, यही रोड है जाने के लिए। We'll go somewhere else.
Yeah.
We'll skip it. This is the Nanny Goat Hill lookout. There's a tower here and there's a goat here, and she's standing and staring at us, judging us from top there. There's a nice place you can have your picnic if you have a picnic. There's quite enough parking space there as well, a lot of parking space. And there's another lookout you can walk up to, where Rohit is right now, sharing the lookout with a magpie or a crow. Goat curry खाने का मन है?
I don't like bones.
What do you don't like?
I'm saying I don't like bones, you know.
Bones.
I can't eat the straight out.
Bones के बिना बनाओ.
इस बकरी को अपनी bones निकाल के जाना.
हाँ. Let's have a look at the lookout. So you're basically seeing at the earliest part of Cooma town from here. So there's like a historic walk around here you can do. And this goat here was sculpted by this guy called Chris Graham. And yeah. Hello. Rohit.
अरे मुझे लगा यहाँ एक कॉमन सी जगह होगी आई थिंक ये जो क्या है ये टी लॉज
No, tea lodge नहीं उसके past the tea lodge and keep on going.
Oh okay I thought this finished
No, keep on going and you will see at the end the road ends. Okay? Bye.
I'll be there
Shuttlecock Trail 10 Intermediate 1 किलोमीटर का ट्रेंड है ये यहाँ पे ही होगा चलो अभी ऊपर जाके देख कर आते हैं
तो ग्रेवल की पे चला गया यार ये लग रहा सही
मेरे को भी पहले वही लगा कि वही होगा फिर मैं वो चल थोड़ा आगे जाके आता हूँ देखता हूँ
जैसे वो लिखा ना एग्जिट साइन मुझे लगा खत्म
हाँ
यही है
अरे ये सही है Yeah, this is what they were talking about, that you will see all the mountains. लेक एंट्रेंस जाना तो वहाँ 200 किलोमीटर
This is north.
Yeah. So this is sitting at 1077 meters high.
Okay.
अभी और अपने जाने वाले हैं और 800 मीटर ऊपर जाने वाले हैं
800 मीटर okay Mount Claston. Melbourne 400 that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kosciuszko, Mount Kosciuszko 77.
Oh, Mount Kosciuszko 77. This is 37. Okay.
जी रियली मेलबर्न मतलब यहाँ से तो वो तो स्ट्रेट लाइन ही दिखा रहा है ना 400 किलोमीटर का स्ट्रेट जाओ
Canberra is 102.
उन माउंटेन्स पे स्नो दिख रहा है सब वाइट है यहाँ पे कम ओवर थी कैन यू सी देम
I can see it.
इज दैट स्नो हाँ गर्मियों में भी स्नो है यहाँ पे अभी शार्लेट पास यहाँ से वो साइन दिखाता था 116 किलोमीटर था राइट
99 लिखा हुआ था.
हाँ तो 99 देखा तूने हाँ वापस जब आएंगे ना तो वहाँ पे एक फ्यूल का है, शेल है, वहाँ पे खाना भी खा लेंगे और पेट्रोल भी भरवा लेंगे और फिर वहाँ से निकल जाएंगे सीधा थ्रेडबो।
सॉर्ट आउट करते हैं कहाँ
हाँ, थ्रेडबो निकल के, थ्रेडबो में फ्यूल नहीं था मेरे ख्याल से, तो अब ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी। और जब आप डाउन हिल जा रहे हो ना, वहाँ पे भी पेट्रोल कम ही यूज़ होगा।
देख के आ गया।
Yeah, they've got toilet facilities here as well, and they've got actually mountain bike park, so which is pretty cool. It's good to have that. And these are the Mount Gladstone signs. So you're not allowed to camp here. No motorbikes off bitumen road. No fires. No vehicle off bitumen road. Do not drink water. No removal of trees or rocks. And it's an uneven ground. Wild animals, shared paths, edges, lookouts, and horse rides. You also got here toilets, picnic tables, and keep kids under active supervision at all times. Are you guys local?
Not really.
Oh, we are from Melbourne as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so me and mother.
Parents live up here.
Oh, your parents live here? Yeah, nice.
Did you cycle up from Melbourne?
Cycled up road up. Right up.
Yeah. We rode up from Melbourne yesterday.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay, so you've been on the road for the last couple of days.
Oh, just yesterday. We left home at early morning.
Okay.
7 o'clock we got here. From here, we're going to Thredbo and Charlotte Pass and then going down.
Okay.
And then next day, depends what he wants to do. Hey guys, have a nice time. See ya.